Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight in to learn how to use Trello's built-in timer efficiently. This is your full 2025 guide. First off, head over to your Trello board and select the card you want to track time for. The reason we do this is that Trello's timer is card-specific. It's designed to help you manage your time for individual tasks. Once you've selected a card, look for the Power Ups button. Click on it and you'll find the built-in timer. Why is this important? Well, the built-in timer is a powerful tool that allows you to monitor the time you spend on each task in real time. Now that we've found the timer, click on it to start tracking. It's as simple as that. This helps us because it provides an accurate measure of how long tasks are taking, aiding in future planning and time management. When you're done with your task, just click on the timer again to stop it. It will then display the total time spent on that task. This function is essential as it gives you a clear idea of your working pace, which can be a great aid in managing your overall project schedule and workflow. Then, to make things even more easy for you, Trello automatically saves your timer data. This allows you to refer back to it later, making it a breeze to track your progress over time. And there you have it. You've learned how to use Trello's built-in timer, a tool that's all about enhancing your productivity and time management. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder. Until next time, keep being productive.